Okay, my friend, welcome to my video how to make money with Clickbank, how to choose your product and how to promote your product. I am very exciting, my friend, to show you the best method how to promote your Clickbank affiliate link. Of course, you can promote anything with this Trafic that I will show you in the next 2 minutes. All you have to do is take action, don't delay. With this video, guys, I want to show you exactly how to choose your product. If you don't have an account with Clickbank, you can go here and create an account. It's free, everyone can do it, and no matter where you live. All you have to do is create your free account, make your account, and start promote your affiliate link. Of course, I will show you how to promote your affiliate link. Okay, very important if you want to promote your affiliate link is to choose a good product, a product that convert well. If you ask me about leads and sales, it's of course it's up to your product. I will show you in this video how to get real human traffic. It's over 70% from USA traffic. So all you have to do, like I said, it's choose a convert product and promote it. Okay, so I already have an account on Clickbank, so let's go and choose our product. Okay, like you see, this is the dashboard on our product. You can see here your name, and all you have to do is go to marketplace, okay, to choose your product. Okay, this is the marketplace. Okay, this is the marketplace. Here you can find your product. You can see here some category, and if you click in the side of all the categories, you can see more sub category. Okay, you can see here there is a lot of product here that you can choose and promote. Okay, so my favorite category, subcategory is affiliate marketing. So let's go to affiliate marketing. And then you have to choose gravity. Okay, sort results B, gravity. And then you will get a lot of products that you can promote and earn a commission. Okay. Okay. For this video, guys, I will choose the CB passive income. Let's go to see this product. This is a fantastic product. You can see here is the good title, and there is a video explanation, some images. Okay, so how to promote this product. So let's close first this page, and then you have here promote. Okay, so all you have to do is click promote. Then you will get this page. Okay, you will get 60% from sales. Okay, for every sales you will get 60% commission. Then you have to click create, and you will get this page. Okay, now remember, you have to choose this link, not this link. Okay, don't use this link. This is not your affiliate link. This is your affiliate link. So let's click and copy, Control C, and copy this link. Now we can close this page. Okay, now guys, I want to show you two ways to promote your affiliate link. This ways is a very cheap traffic. You can get unlimited traffic to your website, to your link. Of course, you can get this traffic to your website, to your blog, to your CPA offers. For this video, guys, I want to show you how to get traffic to your Clickbank affiliate link. So let's go. First, I want to show you this website, Safe Traffic Rotator. This website, you can get unlimited traffic, very cheap traffic. You can see here, do you need traffic to your affiliate link? Of course. So how this work? First, you have to type here your name, then your email, and you have to put here your affiliate link. Okay, all the link, don't forget the HTTP. Then you have to use your package. You can see here, you can get 100,000 visitors, only $15, $50. Okay, this is very cheap traffic. Then all you have to do, you have to click here. Okay, you have to accept the terms. The reason you cannot promote anything here. Okay, you can't. Of course, you can promote your Clickbank affiliate link, your website, your. But very important to read the terms of use and order now. Okay, you have to check if everything is well. You can see here the name, the email, the package, and very important to check your link. Okay, very important. And then all you have to do is buy now. Now, of course, if you promote your link using this website, you will get info stats, so you can check real time how many visitors you already get to your link. And the best thing of this website that you can change your link anytime you wish. Okay, this is very important, so you can test a different product, let's say every 10,000 visitors. Okay, you can change your product anytime you wish. That's why I like to promote on this website. Traffic source number 2 is Turbo website traffic. Okay, you can see here Turbo website traffic. You can click in the top and you will get a different product on this website. You can see a lot of people advertising their Clickbank affiliate link using this product. Okay,
receiving a regular
this product is from Clickbank. You can click here one more time in the logo. Okay, you get the point. You can see here random and different of a lot of product. So how to advertise on this website? All you have to do, you have here advertising. So let's go to advertising, and then, like you know, okay, your name, your email, and your link. Okay, very important, your link and your package. Okay, you can get here 100 website visitors, only $50, and of course you have to read and accept the terms and click order. Okay, like you know, you have to check your name, your email, your link, and your package. This website, the same of this website, you can of course to change your link anytime you wish. You can test your link and change your link. You can change it, let's say, every 10,000 visitors. Very important to testing your link and get traffic to your affiliate link. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. I will upload more and more videos to this channel. I hope you will succeed with online marketing. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you again and have a good day. Thank you very much.